Are you tired of background noise ruining your phone calls on your iPhone? Well, there's a handy feature called voice isolation that can help. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use voice isolation to minimize or eliminate background noise during your calls. Let's jump right in. Before we dive in, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the necessary features and fixes. Then, either make a call or receive one. For this demo, I'll dial the number 123 as an example. After you have dialed the number, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Once you are in the Control Center, look at the top of the screen. You'll see icons for the microphone, location, phone, and system devices. Tap on the microphone icon. Now you'll see several microphone settings options. Here, you need to tap on the voice isolation setting. And that's it. Once you have selected voice isolation, you should notice a significant reduction in background noise during your calls. That's how you can easily use the voice isolation feature on your iPhone to enjoy clearer calls without the background noise. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.